Level 36. Going down.
Please enter destination floor. Floor B. Proceed to car. G. To the left rear.
Elevator G has arrived. Elevator G has arrived. Elevator G has arrived. Level C. Going on.
Please enter destination floor. Floor 36. Proceed to car. G. To the left.
G has arrived. Elevator G has arrived. Elevator G has arrived. Elevator G has arrived.
I don't need to say where we are. I'm pretty sure unless you've been seriously living under a rock, you know where we are. Yup, that's right. This is the Cathedral of Learning. Watched videos of these elevators for many years, and now I'm finally getting to ride them. Otis CompassPlus.
Level 30.
Here we are on 36.
Going down.
Alright, I'm gonna send that one down to B. Because I want to get one of the other ones so I can do a proper cat view. Oh, but before we do anything, let's take a little look around here. Those door frames are really cool, and the elevator doors are wider than I thought they were going to be. Wow. I love the windows up here. View out. There's some of the university campus. There's one of many hills with homes on it. I don't know the name of it. Of course, if anyone from Pittsburgh wants to tell me, you're more than welcome to. There's more over there. And over here, we'll get a view on this side too. And over here is the O-car elevator. elevator. So as you can see, it's pretty early in the morning, so got a lot. Get to see all the steam from all the plants and other buildings coming out. Let's see if this elevator is accessible. This one also used to be a Westinghouse, but got modded. Let's see, can we go anywhere? Yeah, it's totally restricted. Oh well, at least we get a look at it, and I'm sure plenty of people have watched videos of it anyway, so. But wow, this place is so cool. Alright, well, let's take these Otis compasses back down. I'm gonna go to G.
Please enter destination floor. Floor. G. Proceed to car. E. To the right rear.
Here it comes. I can't believe I'm actually here. Sounds like they're getting some use right now. And that was where the old Westinghouse call stations used to be. And here it is. Oh, this one also has the padded walls on it. Oh well. Well, here you can get kind of an idea of what the cab looks like. This one seems to be a bit slower than the others. Whee. Oh, it's on independent service, huh? Interesting. Oh, I guess we'll get off here. Look at that. And over here is the elevator annunciator over here. Wow. I'm gonna try to get one more on a different one. No, it's gonna give us elevator G. Let's just do... I think elevator G might serve all the floors, so let's let it go. It's really wanting me to write G for some weird reason. So weird. F, okay. All right, since I actually have it to myself, I can get a proper cat view. Plus, since this one's not padded, I can as well for that reason. Very nice. Looks like a modern hospital cab, to be honest, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. 36. Get a view from back here.
Level 36. Going down.
Otis interlock.
Please enter destination floor. Proceed to car F to the
F
And we're gonna get off on the first floor.
F has arrived. Elevator F has arrived. Elevator F has arrived.
Something's blinking in there. They're your open and close controls. I know this is going to be very popular on YouTube.
Level 1.
And here we are in 1. Perfect, this is where I want to be. Very neat. And you also got compass panels here. I'm wondering if these used to be more elevators at one point, or if they were gonna put some here, but they never did. Wow. And here's one of the hallways on the first floor. Really amazing building. And well, there they go, and that'll be it.